About this item, DP to VGA Foboiu DisplayPort to VGA 3 feed 2 pack cable contains an advanced chip will allow you to send a high quality video signal for optimal performance. Directly connects DisplayPort, DP, DP++, DisplayPort++, desktop or laptop to a monitor or projector with VGA port for video streaming and flawless gaming. Crossmark note, only from DisplayPort source to VGA display, can't bi-directional. And not many DisplayPort to VGA cable. Crossmark only connect from PC to monitor, can't connect from monitor to monitor. Extended mode and mirror mode. Extended mode works like a charm for multitasking. You could double your workspace through by working in the laptop and watching the movie in the HD TV at the same time. DisplayPort to VGA mirror mode makes your holiday or wedding photos and favorite films so much more interesting and enjoyable on the big screen. Only connect from DisplayPort source, laptop/PC with DP import, to VGA display, monitor/projector with VGA output. Latches design display to VGA with latches provides a secure and stable connection. Remember to press the Reals button before you plug out. Note, this is DisplayPort to VGA cable. Crossmark not DP to HDMI, crossmark not VGA to DP port, and crossmark